On Sunday night, the Philadelphia Eagles received some very disappointing news. Philadelphia was fortunate to beat the Los Angeles Rams 37-20 on the road to record their 7th straight win. However, the game came at a high price. The Eagles lost Pro Bowl defensive end and captain Brandon Graham for the season due to a triceps injury. Before Graham's injury, the Eagles had some question marks on the sideline, but now there's a big void. Philadelphia is looking for reinforcements and has already acquired KJ Henry and signed him to the practice squad. Adding more players wouldn't hurt, and Fansided's Jake Beckman suggested 3-time Pro Bowler Melvin Ingram as a suitable fit. "Henry isn't the only player available," Beckman said. "Brandon Lee Gowton from Bleeding Green Nation came up with 8 other free agents the Eagles could sign: Jason Pierre-Paul, Melvin Ingram, Justin Houston, Bruce Irvin, Rasheem Green, Janet Avery, Kamoko Toure, and Tack McKinley. JPP Ingram, Houston, and Irvin have spent time, albeit some of their time very brief, in Fangio's defense. That's important to factor into this whole equation. Think about Bryce Huff's year. His first 4 weeks in this defense were pathetic, which, in part, was due to him not being comfortable with the scheme. If you can get a guy who's had any exposure to the scheme, it'll be better than starting from scratch, especially when we're looking at a team trying to make a playoff and Super Bowl run."